This is a first round matchup in the UAAP Season 88 Girls Volleyball. Let us meet our officials for this match. First referee, Rolly Casilian. Second referee is Ike Tero. Let us now meet the starters. First, from the Far Eastern University Diliman, Lady Baby Tamaras. Outside hitter, number 1, Alea Devosora. Middle blocker, their team captain, number 11, Kath Umal. Setter, number 12, Emil Givani. Opposite hitter, number 15, MJ Udiegbala. Outside hitter, number 19, Claire Bongo. Middle blocker, number 20, Aliyah Una. And the starting libero, number 8, Franz Premailon. Coaching the Lady Baby Tamaraos is Joanne Bunag. It is time to meet the starters for the Nazareth School of National University, Lady Bullpups. Outside hitter number 3, Bam Bam Berayo. Opposite hitter number 7, Nicole Obera. Outside hitter number 9, Ella Bartolabak. Setter number 10, Mika Gold. Middle blocker number 12, Bella Cruz. Another middle blocker number 14, Adeline Agustin. And the starting libero number 17, Atasha Doroha. Coaching the Lady Bullpups is Ray Carl de Maculangan.
You have the starters for the FEU Diliman Lady Baby Tamaraos, Odyagbala, Ona Devosora, Bongo Umal Guevani, and Premailon will be the libero. They will be headed by Coach Joan Bunag. Meanwhile, for the NUNS Lady Bullpups, you have Obera, Agustin Berayo, Bartolaba Cruz. Gold will start in this match, and the libero will still be Doroha. And Coach Rady Maculangan will be heading this NUNS Lady Bullpups. Again, welcome to Season 88 Girls Volleyball. Two of the contenders this season, FEU and NUNS, going at it today. The last time they met was in Season 87 in the semifinals. And FEU will start things off with a service ace, courtesy of their setter, Emil Guevani. Too long of a serve there for Guevani. 1-all. Both teams very familiar of each other's system. Mika Gold. Reverse set there to Devosora. Bartolabak was there. Gold pushing that to Berayo. Another chance for Devosora. Swipe out will work for Alea Devosora. Good start here for FEU. Gold. No one there. Chance for FEU to get that point. Nope. Great dig from Bartolapa. Gold reverse set to Obera. Wanted to go down the line, but she will be called for touches there. Good show of floor defense to start things off here for both teams. Bartolaba has been stable in passing. Berayo down the line. Still no luck here for NUNS. Two attack errors already for NUNS. FEU taking advantage of the free points they are getting. FEU with a 3-point lead. Berayo with that pass. Gold to the middle. Odiagbala. Gold will take the first ball. Doroha sets to Obera. Rebound was there. Good set. But Bongo scraping the net. Too aggressive that time for Bongo. But you're feeling the intensity is really high on the side of FEU Diliman. Bamberayo on the service line for NUNS. Good pass. Giovanni Odiagbala. MJ Odiagbala hammering that one in. Cleanest attack so far. Emil Giovanni, the setter of FEU, making the right decisions. We have Aliyah Ona serving for FEU. Bartolabak overpasses. Doroha was there. Goal to Obera. Tip. Coverage was good for FEU. Another chance for NU. Bartolabak is blocked. FEU scrambling. Blockers were there. And Agustin ready to take that off-speed attack from Bongo. And UNS still playing catch-up, but they have been playing steady. Keeping it close here in the start. Safe serve. Agustin was there. Berayo from the back row. Ooh, miscue. Chance. FEU scrambling. Bongo will try. A tip. Rally still ongoing. Bartolabak taking advantage of that one-man block. Kath Umal was still on the floor with Bongo that time for FEU, so no blockers found on the side of FEU. Giovanni back to Umal. Quick side out there for FEU. FEU having all the offensive answers so far. MJ Odiagbala on the service line for FEU. Jump serve. Berayo was there. Goal to Bartolabak. Going down the line. Right on the line there. Fast and strong attack coming from Bartolabak. No defense found on the side of FEU. Giovanni 1-2 play. Found that donut hole on the court of NUNS. Obera had a good attempt, but just a split second late in taking that dig. So FEU still taking charge in this set. Berayo with a good pass. Gold. Giovanni to Odiagbala. Stable dig from Obera. Berayo from the back row. Berayo effective in that pipe attack. And you've got to appreciate how Gold is also trying to be creative with her playmaking here, knowing that FEU also has a good defense. Bartolabak. Oh, miscue. They give away a chance ball. Can NU take advantage? Berayo! Again, getting that point for NUNS. She's got the hot hands right now for NUNS. And when she's starting to heat up, she can be unstoppable. Talking about Berayo. Premailon. Devosora. Point goes to FEU. Net touch violation called on Mika Gold. It's just a 1-point game right now. 8 serving 7. Captain Kat Umal serving. Doroha. Berayo again. Pancake save was good. Nope. That will be called floor touch by our first referee, Tero. Devosora overpasses, but point goes to FEU. Another attack error here for NUNS. It has been a neck-and-neck battle so far. Giovanni straight to Bartolabak. Berayo will get that set. And she will get that point. Gold has been feeding Bam Berayo with fast low sets. And it has been challenging the net and floor defense of FEU. Gold. Devosora. Overreaching. That was clear. Adeline Agustin apologizing. Got too excited with that overpass there. 10-9. FEU still with a 1-point lead. Aliyah Devosora, last season's best opposite attacker. Bam Berayo could not find the line that time. Free point for FEU. And the timeout, an early timeout here for Coach De Maculangan. FEU playing clean volleyball so far. It has been NUNS committing more mistakes here. Coach Carl De Maculangan has seen enough, called for the timeout. Let's see how NUNS will respond. Aliyah Devosora still serving for FEU. Bartolabak to Gold. Agustin going for that power tip. Odiagbala squeezes that one in. Giovanni again. Smooth playmaking so far. Balanced playmaking, activating most of the attackers, especially the wing attackers. Bartolabak has been the target. Goal to Berayo. Berayo avoiding the hands of Odiagbala. Too wide that time. FEU building a good lead. 13-9. Substitution here for NUNS. You have Bolandres, Jaina Bolandres in for Nicole Obera. Out of system, broken play there. Bolandres will try and she scores right away. Instant impact for Jaina Bolandres. Bolandres did not start in their previous game against De La Salle Santiago Zobel, but she came off the bench, started in the third set, tallied 4 points. Bamberayo to Devasora. Odiagbala will try off-speed attack. Great show of volleyball IQ there for Odiagbala, seeing that the defense of NUNS was anticipating a power hit, finding that big hole right behind the blockers. FEU 14-10. Bartolaba, gold, broken play. They will give away a chance ball. Devasora, Guevani, combination play. Odiagbala getting consecutive points in for FEU. Still no answers here on the side of NUNS. Aliyah Ona will serve. Out. Lucky break there for NUNS. Another substitution for NUNS. You have Cheska Pinol in for Adeline Agustin. It was Mardi Tayag rather. Service error there. Quick substitution there. Agustin back in. Tayag, quick minutes. Odiagbala gives away a free point for NUNS off that service error. But momentum has been on the side of FEU all throughout the set so far. So can NU find some rhythm here? Bolandres straight to Premailon. Bump set. Berayo asking for that. No. Bartolabak. Premailon has been stable. Guevani 1-2 play. Gold back to Bartolabak. Still no conversion there. Bongo will score. Mika Gold also scraping that net. FEU keeps their 5-point lead. Strong serve. Bartolabak. Odiagbala. Some lack of risk action that time for Odiagbala. But back row defense has been stable on the side of FEU Diliman. Bartolabak. Premailon overpasses that one. FEU scrambling. Devasora. Berayo will try. Too long again. Now Berayo telling goal that was a good set. There's a big lead now for FEU and UNS with their last time out. Coach Carl de Malcolangan has exhausted his timeouts. And UNS still down 5 points. The Roja gold right to the middle. Giovanni to Devasora, slowing things down. Smart move there from Devasora. Using the hands of the blockers to redirect that ball. Kat Umal continues to serve for FEU. The Roja, better pass this time. Berayo, blockers were there. We haven't seen a lot of middle activation on the side of NUNS, so FEU having an easier time reading the sets of gold. Good pass. Gold back to Berayo. A tip. 1-2 play. Gold to Bolandres. That's out. And point and momentum still stays with FEU. FEU just 4 points away in taking the first set. A very dominant set to start things off. And Kat Umal getting that service ace with some help from the net. And UNS finding themselves in the disadvantage right now. Let's see how they will respond. Bamberayo finally. Sharp cross-court attack, a much-needed point for NUNS. Samantha Koha will serve and sweep for Isa Cruz. Passing has been stable here for FEU. Good defense from Koha. Bartolabak from the back row. Bongo, a push there to Devasora. Tough one there for Devasora. Could not adjust that time. Guevani apologizes. Koha continues to serve for NUNS. Devasora. Odyagbala from the back row. Finding that sweet spot on the side of NUNS. Sharp cross at zone 2. No one there for NUNS. Middle activation. Still no go. Odyagbala will get a chance. Wanted to replicate that point earlier, but could not find the line this time. Some errors on the side of FEU. Something they could afford right now. But can NUNS still catch up? Devasora on the right pin. Bartolabak. But another error here on the side of NUNS. Their errors have been hurting them in this set. FEU already at set point. Alia Devasora serving to FEU. Koha bump set to Berayo. Blockers were there. Gold to Bolandres. Premailon taking that one. Bongo. Blockers were there. Agustin will be credited with a stop block. No entry, says Agustin. A much needed point here for the confidence of NUNS. Safe serve. Odiagbala takes that one. They gave away a chance ball. NU, Bolandres, Giovanni. Odiagbala will try. And Odiagbala will secure that first set win for FEU. A dominant and convincing first set win for FEU. And UNS a slow start for them. 25-17 for set 1. Set 2 when we return. Welcome back. FEU out attacking NUNS in that first set. They have 10 against the 8 of NUNS, but NUNS also giving away so many free points to FEU. 12 total errors for NUNS. Meanwhile, FEU only 7. FEU also serving better in that set against NU, as you see the leading scorer so far, Odiagbala already with 6 points. Meanwhile, Berayo with 5 points. They are the leading scorer so far, but more attackers being activated on the side of FEU. And UNS losing that first set. Let's see how they will try to bounce back in the second set, or how can FEU maintain their momentum. Some things just being clarified there by our first referee, Aikel Tero. Mika Gold will start things off in the second set. Premailon setting that to Devasora. Devasora having the right thing in mind to push that one at zone 1. First point goes to NUNS. FEU looking more in sync in that first set. NUNS could not be organized in defense to slow down FEU. Can they make the necessary changes here? Chance ball to NUNS. Goal to Berayo. Blockers were there. Second attempt, changing tempo. And Berayo gets that point. Berayo showing some volleyball smarts here with how quick she can adjust depending on the defense of FEU. She has been the go-to player. Talking about Berayo. Bongo with that pass. Giovanni to Devasora. Cross court. Stable dig from Doroha. Power tip once more. But good save. Premailon will give away a chance ball. Gold combination play. And Bolandres will score a point. Bolandres will start in the second set. She came off the bench in that end of the first set. Good start here for NUNS. Devasora letting that one go, but that clearly hit the line. Mika Gold with a service ace. 4-0 to start the second set. Devasora, a better pass. Odiagbala from the back row. A much needed point there to stop the momentum of NUNS. Odiagbala has been efficient in this game. Doroha, goal to the middle. Giovanni back to Odiagbala. Explosive swing there for Odiagbala. And you can see that she's able to attack on top of the blockers. Clearly a lethal attacker here on the side of FEU. So far, a big problem for NUNS. Emil Giovanni will continue to serve. Doroha, reverse set. Berayo with a tip, that won't work. Middle activation, blockers were there. Odiagbala, chance ball. Berayo. Premailon could not keep the rally alive. Berayo doing everything offensively here for NUNS. She goes to the back row this time. Premailon. Off-speed attack for Devasora. Both teams trying to outsmart each other. Doroha. Bolandres. Bolandres has been a game changer here for NUNS. Sharing the load in terms of scoring so far with Berayo. Premailon. Overpass and Cruz was ready for that. So NUNS with a better start after losing that first set. They are up by 4 points right now, 7-3. When FEU needs a point, Odiagbala steps up to score. Can they get the rhythm here? Talking about FEU, you have Aliyah Ona on the service line. Perfect pass there. Gold to Bartolabak. Odiagbala reading that one but could not press her hands on time to get that kill block. Wing attackers of NUNS have been scoring majority of the points here. Jaina Bolandres up to serve. Giovanni to the middle. Umal was blocked. Odiagbala pushes that one. Easy dig for NUNS. Bartolabak will be blocked by Kat Umal. A one-man block there for Kat Umal. Odiagbala miscontact on that serve, gives away a free point for NUNS. Apologizing right away because right now FEU could not afford errors like those. Premailon, another overpass this time. FEU keeps it alive. Bongo, Bartolabak with a dig. Gold chance ball there for FEU. A push to Berayo and Kat Umal will be that big wall on the side of FEU. Another kill block for Kat Umal. Has been defense versus offense so far in this set. And FEU winning on that defensive end. tip. Again, Berayo recognizing that blocking has been stable. Going for the tip, making the floor defense work for FEU. And UNS still on the lead, 10-6. Premailon with that pass. Givani has been looking for Odiagbala to score points. Unfortunately, an attack error there. Coach John Bunag has seen enough. Timeout, FEU. And UNS with a 5-point lead right now. They have led all throughout the second set. They're looking to tie things up. Let's see how FEU will respond after the timeout. Devasora will be blocked. Guevani, reverse set. Odigbala wasn't comfortable that time, but NUNS scrambling. Umal will be blocked. Great hustle there by Premailon. Middle attack won't work for NUNS. Premailon has kept so many rallies alive here for FEU. Kat Umal serving for FEU. Bartolabak stable on that pass. Berayo. She knew she had the right thing in mind, but she could not execute. Slowly but surely here, FEU closing this gap. Kat Umal. Berayo will try again. This time, a sharper attack and a well-calculated one. Berayo and Odiagbala has been the go-to players. Berayo for NUNS, Odiagbala for FEU. Miscue there for FEU. Some hesitation between Guevani and Premailon on that second touch. Meanwhile, NUNS playing with better composure here, and a service ace for Mika Gold. This time it's FEU down by 6 points. Odiagbala. Berayo with a tip. Berayo has been capitalizing on that big hole at zone 2 of FEU. Still no defensive adjustment on the side of FEU. Good pass, middle activation. That will be called out. Nothing working right now for FEU. So another timeout here for Coach John Bunag. And UNS with a dominant set. Giovanni to Devasora. Blocking has been on point for NUNS. Bolandres. Bolandres has been a reliable scorer here for NUNS. Bolandres again is coming off a 4-point performance against De La Salle Santiago Zubel. But she scored 13 points in their first match. Another chance ball given away. Premailon with the great ball control, scoring a point for FEU. Wow, that was a beautiful one coming from Premailon. Clearly outsmarting NUNS. Emil Guevani will serve for FEU. FEU could not get a rebound off that attack of Bamberayo, and NUNS has been cruising in this set. Doing some quick work over FEU, but can FEU still build some momentum here? Good pass coming from Bongo Odiagbala. A much needed point there for the confidence of FEU. Odiagbala in the front row right now. Some good news for FEU. Out of system, Bartolabak will be blocked by Odiagbala. Again, Odiagbala with an all-around game so far. Now this will be a crucial stretch for FEU, and UNS still with a 7-point lead. Oof. Lexa Amana with a service error. And a service ace for Agustin. Adeline Agustin getting a point from the service line. Aliyah Devasora back in for Alexa Amana. Premailon with a stable pass. Odiagbala will be blocked. Odiagbala wanted to go for a soft touch, but Cruz was ready for that. Isa Cruz will get the kill block. Bongo could not score. So far, NUNS showing some solid chemistry inside the court. 11-point lead here for NUNS. Short serve will work. Not yet. Point will be rewarded to NUNS. Overreaching violation called on FEU. Rather, they will replay the point. Giovanni to Bongo. Going down the line. Cleanest attack so far coming from FEU. But this is going to be a tough climb for FEU with this 10-point lead of NUNS. And errors like those won't help their cause. NUNS just 2 points away in getting the second set and tying things up with FEU. NUNS at set point right now. And Bolandres. Jaina Bolandres will get that service ace after losing the first set. NUNS bouncing back big, dominating that second set with a 13-point lead, 25-12 to confirm the second set win of NUNS. We're 1-1 right now. Third set when we return. Welcome back to UAP Season 88 Girls Volleyball Tournament. NUNS with a convincing second set win, out attacking, clearly dominantly out attacking FEU. They have 11 against the 7 of FEU, and the NUNS playing cleaner that time in the second set. So right now, Udyagbala and Virayo continues to be the leading scorers of their squad, 11 points apiece.